Hi, I'm Kuvendran, a third year mechanical engineering student at VSB Engineering College, an autonomous institution in Karur. Our team of 6 members had the privilege of attending a workshop on hydrothermal reactor and gas chromatography at Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. The workshop was an eye-opener. We gained hands-on experience with the hydrothermal reactor and learned about its working principle. Understanding the basics of gas chromatography was a highlighter for me. We learned about the different types of detectors, including flame ionization detector and thermal conductivity detectors. We learned about the applications of gas chromatography can be used to separate and analyze the components that can be vaporized without decomposition. Hydrothermal reactor used in the chemical synthesis. The workshop not only enhanced our technical knowledge but also fostered teamwork and collaboration. We are grateful for the opportunity to learn from the experts in the field. We are confident that the skills and knowledge gained will benefit our future projects and research. Thanks to VSB management.